All right, buddy, let's do it before it gets dark.
Whoa, that was one.
Yeah.
I know you want. I know
Okay,
you
buddy.
want.
You want to press the button?
Press the button.
Okay, go for it. It's probably gonna be bad because the speed control isn't staying down and we're about to do some crazy jumps. What? Oh, okay. Let's not get too hasty there, buddy. It's getting dark, my boy. Let's see what we can do real quick. All right, buddy, let's go do some jumps. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. We're gonna do another Haas video. Liam and I were driving by here the other day and I thought we'd come try out some jumps. Oh, that was beautiful. Liam, can you fix it? Last video we made together, I hit Liam with the Haas. Oh, you all right, buddy? And that was very sad. So we're gonna try not to do that today. Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness.
Buddy, can you get it? But we are gonna do some epic jumps today. I love driving this thing in the dirt. Oh!
Dad?
Yeah.
Can you fix it?
Can you fix it? Get a little trigger happy out here. Wanna push it? That first one I did was sweet. Nice.
Dad?
We're doing some jumps today, bud.
Dad. Oh, Dad.
We got a full charge battery today, and I can totally tell the difference.
We did it.
Oh no!
Oh no!
Oh yeah, that's my boy. We'll try this jump out for a while, see what other stuff we can get into. Maybe I'll just chill out a little and not hit it going so fast. Yeah! Oh, I saved it! Woo! Oh my goodness.
Oh, Dad,
Yeah.
did you see that?
Yeah, I did. Woo-hoo-hoo! Oh yeah.
Ready?
Woo! Oh, that was pretty cool. Liam, was that cool? Got a little berm action going on there. You're okay, buddy. That's really fun. Oh! See ya. Woo! Oh, there's a hole. Dad's gonna need to fix that one. Whoopsie. Here, Dad's gonna get it. Ugh. Well, found a hole.
They go.
Oh, that is not good.
Hey.
I did it.
You did it.
You did it.
Dad just needs to be better, huh? Woo! Oh, this little thing has just wrecked me like 3 times.
Let's do this.
Oh, what am I doing?
No, it's not right. Whoa. Is that cool, Daddy?
That's so cool. Oh! That was perfect. Yes. Liam, you seeing that jump?
See that jump?
I would hit it that way, but I'd go in the death hole again. Let's see if we can get some other stuff while we're here. Because this construction won't last long. We'll have to come back when it's not getting dark. Okay, we're doing a hill climb here. Okay. Oh good, it's still upright. I do not want to go in there. Whoopsie. Things low riding. Ah, we're good. What do you want to drive it? You want to jump it or do the hill? This one? Okay. All right, Liam wants to do the rocks, so we will do it. Oh! Oh! That did not sound good. Oh, I saved that one. Woo!
That's jump, Daddy.
Yeah. Yeah! Yeah.
Did you see that?
Yeah. Coming up from this angle, I literally can't see the hill. I just kind of... Oh! We just hit a chain. That is not good.
That is not good.
This thing is very durable. I just smacked that chain.
Hey, Dad.
Yeah?
Did you see that?
Woo! This thing's gonna get broken today.
You were doing over here.
Uh-oh, trailer. Launch.
Hey, Dad.
We're still good, buddy.
Dad,
Yeah.
I want a jump.
You wanna jump?
Jump.
All right, buddy. Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Whoa.
Whoa. Dad,
Yeah.
did you see that?
Oh.
I know you want.
Uh-oh. That did it. We broke the servo horn or the servo on that one. And yeah, just a little bit of rocks in there. Oh, we're still going. I think there was just some rocks in it. Goodness gracious. Oh, that poor speed control. Look at that poor speed control. It's taking a beating because I broke the plastic piece. So should I continue or should I not? I need to find a way to secure that down. Okay. Well, we can't give up now. What the? That was a big explosion. Hopefully that was something planned. Something really big just exploded right there. That was very loud. Oh no. I want to find like a nice jump. All these are cool, but they're not really. Yeah, buddy? Yeah, let's go. Let's go find something else. Maybe it's a nice little jump, I guess. Oh, 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 oh. Whoopsie.
Whoopsie.
Just gotta give it gas and let it come down. Oh, that was awesome. What am I doing? Oh, shoot. Yeah. I sure did. Okay, come over by Dad. Okay, that was a full throttle that I came off that. What the? What I need to do is just come off it and not give it more throttle, I think. There we go. Oh, saved it. Woo! Liam, where do you want to go with the Jeep? You want to jump it over here?
Jump it over here.
Yeah.
Did you see that?
Oh, 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 there are so many bumps. I was gonna see if I could get going full speed. Let's be risky here.
Pretty risky here.
More speed, more speed. Woo!
Dad,
Yeah.
did you see that?
Yeah?
Over here.
You want this one?
This one.
Oh, all right, buddy. Liam's wanting to destroy the fast one today. Oh!
Dad,
Yeah,
did you see that?
I did. Oh no! So multifunction is completely off. Someone left a comment saying when you're doing stuff like this to turn it off. So I'm getting no assist in the steering right now, and hopefully it saves the servo a little bit. Ooh, that's deep, huh? That's good powder. Liam, you gonna fix it or no? You want Dad to do it? Okay. You don't like sinking? Oh, wow. This is a fun one, huh? This is a fun area, huh, buddy? Ooh, someone's playing in the dirt. Liam, let's come jump it. I really want to take this thing to a skate park, but I know it will be game over at that point. I really want to just practice jumping. Yeah. Woo! If you're getting dizzy, I'm sorry. So am I. Yeah. I'll stop spinning. Yeah. Awesome. You want me to come over there? All right. This is mine and Liam's YouTube channel. Although Dad wants to jump, Liam wants to do some donuts in the powder. Liam, you want to do donuts?
No.
No? What do you want to do?
I want to do one
What do you want to do?
over here.
What do you want to do there?
I want to do one over
You just want to drive through it?
right into it.
Drive into it? Okay,
Yay!
here we go. Woo! Woo! Yeah.
You want to do over here again?
Yep. Let's do it. Ah, there's little bugs everywhere. Yeah.
You want to do over here?
What, buddy?
Dad,
Yeah.
you want to do over here?
Yeah, I'll drive right where you want me to.
I want to do over here.
I'm not hitting you today, boy. Let's do it. Yeah! That was awesome. Yeah? Here we come, buddy. Oh! That was not good. Oh no! Yes. Can you fix it, bud? This is fun. I'm glad we found this spot, huh, buddy? Yeah. That was my fault. That's a nice little jump. Hey, don't hit Liam. Don't hit Liam. Oh, hey, buddy. Oh! We're good, bud. Still going strong. That's a nice little jump. Dusting out Liam. Ouch! I want to hit this jump a few more times. Goodness! Yeah! High five, buddy! Yeah, bust it! Yeah! 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 Let's get some speed. Let's do it big this time. That was completely my fault. Woo! Yeah! Here we go, buddy. Maybe I should stand where I can actually see the takeoff. Yeah! 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 What? Okay, let's do it. See if we can do wheelies on the dirt right here. And then we better go home. Okay, ready? Set. Oh!
Hey, Dad.
Yeah?
When do you want a wheelie again?
Wheelie again?
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Go.
Yeah.
Dad,
Yes.
I want to wheelie.
Okay, ready?
Go. Dad,
Yeah?
I want a wheelie.
I know you do, buddy. Full speed. Okay, okay. I've rarely went full throttle this whole time. Full throttle. And I let off really fast. Okay.
Dad,
Yeah,
did you see that?
I sure did, buddy. Okay, buddy. Should we go home? It's getting dark. Should we do one more jump?
No,
What do you want to do?
I want to try the first one.
Okay, where do you want to drive it?
I want to try it.
Over there?
Over there.
Okay, let's go! Okay, the man has spoken. He wants to drive it over here, so we will finish up the video in this crevasse. What are we gonna do here, bud? What can we do here? Ooh! Maybe do a little bit of send it. Oh.
Hey, Dad,
Yeah?
I want to push it. I want to push it.
Go ahead.
Push it. Let's push it over here.
Okay.
I want to push it over here.
I have the freaking best buddy. Look at him traversing mountains. ESC came unhooked or something because we got no power.
Oh no!
Oh no! I think we broke it, buddy.
I didn't.
That was expected though. Dad's being dumb. Oh, well, goodness gracious. Yep. I better stop while we're ahead. I need to get something to secure this down. We're wrecking this ESC. Everything's pretty hot as well.
I know you want to do one jump.
You want to do more jumps?
More jump.
Oh my goodness. All right. I can't say no to that face.
Hey, Dad.
Yeah?
I want you to jump one more time and no time.
One more time and all done?
One more time and no time.
All right, you talked me into it. Liam says one more and all done. We better make it a good one.
Make a good one.
Okay.
Okay.
Woo! All right, let's keep going, bud. Oh! We gotta land one more because I'm not leaving defeated. And I know you're not either. Woo! And on that note, we will end. Thank you guys for watching. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe if you want to see Liam and I some more. We love making these videos. Yeah.
Bye. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.
Busted. Yeah.